welcome back to my channel. And first of all, before we say anything, let's turn it avoid the boulder. So far. So yeah. And the question of the day is, drum roll or whatever please, is yeah, I don't even know a question of the day. The question of the day is, have you ever played this game before? And if you didn't, then that's okay. Well, we all winners here. Some people are just left down. I can't even afford anything. It says, I think it is safe to drink. You know what? Who put it in the store? How you think it's safe? Side effects? Well, I ain't drinking that. Score the goal. I think that's the wrong goal, y'all. Yeah. Get ready. Wait, what? Wow. Now there's just those two people left. Yeah, why do I keep dying so quick? Somebody said, man, I'm like, right? Push it, yes, push it. Oh yeah, boing. Let me get those coins. Yeah. Boing. Boing. God, it seems like I'm getting farther and farther. Yes. What the heck? It's the banana. Banana. Somebody said LOL, and then somebody said banana, because the thing said banana. Watch out! What the? I don't even know what's happening, y'all. Everything is glitching. Wow! Okay, guys, I'm gonna get you back and play a different game. Guys, I am going to be doing a thing where it's called Spooky Sunday. and every Sunday I have to play a spooky game. So, wait, what's today? I don't know what today is, but whenever it's Sunday, we're gonna do a spooky game, and some of them we might go live. So yeah, black. What the heck, black? Okay, I'm on black. Dark blue, dark blue. Oh, they're not dark blue. They're purple. They're not dark blue. They're purple. Yeah, it's lagging again. Yeah. It's lagging again. Excuse me? Excuse me? Yeah, where am I? I think I'm in heaven. Oh, never mind. I thought I was in heaven, y'all. I thought I was in heaven. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna end the video here, but